What's up, everyone? All right, so here we are finishing the sixth trading day in Italy, up $700. Not quite the daily goal, but a green day, and I can't complain. This is an amazing view for trading. I'm super excited. Just, making a little bit of money on vacation. Life is good. So I'll be back at it first thing tomorrow morning, 9:15 Eastern, 3:15 p.m. local time here, and hopefully we have some good stocks on the watch list. Can make a little bit of money and go into the 4th of July feeling good. We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Markets closed on Thursday. Friday, it's going to be a slow day. A lot of people will take the day off. So let's make the most of this 3-day week. All right, see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. Hey everyone. All right, so we're going to do our midday market recap here for this morning. A green day, finally. $738.73. Not a home run, obviously. Not quite the daily goal, but a green day is something that I can be happy with. After all, it is the first day of July. Clean slate, new month, new me, base hits. All right, so today, taking the base hits, and you can see that I'm green on 2 out of the 3 stocks I traded. I took a total of 5 trades and had 3 winners and 2 losers. PRPO is the only stock I'm red on. EMES, a stock I didn't end up trading, made a little bit of a move here, but it squeezed up at 10:55 and I shut it down at 10:30. I did not want to overstay my welcome today, given the fact that at 10 a.m. I was only up $738. That by itself is enough of an indicator to slow it down. So gap scanner this morning, a little bit on the weak side. Today's my 6th day trading here in Italy, which has been, I guess not as much fun on the trading side, only because trading has been terrible the last 2 weeks. But hopefully things are starting to turn around. PPSI, leading gapper this morning, up 28%. Light volume, I did jump into it. I tried to be a little bit more aggressive on it. One of the things I'm wanting to try to do is, if I'm going to take a trade, only take it if I'm willing to take 6,000 to 10,000 shares. And so on this one, you can see it's dropping right now for some reason. Let's see. It started to curl up right around here. It sort of popped up to 80, 75, pulled back, and as it curled back up, I tried to jump into it. I got partial fills, and as it turns out, that was for the best. Partial fill. So I pressed the buy button once. I got a partial fill. I pressed it 2 more times. I saw I was getting partial fills. I canceled those orders and did not continue to press the buy button. I was just like, you know what? It's going to run without me. And it popped here up to 75, but then dropped back down. So even if I had gotten my full order filled, I probably would have ended up losing money on it. So that was PPSI, no follow through, which is disappointing. It's now red on the day. IEA, second leading gapper, up 25%, but a 20 million share float. Typically, I don't really have as much confidence in those, but look at this. It did this really powerful red to green move from 250, surging up to 349. I didn't like it pre-market because I thought it already was showing too much weakness with the way it was selling off. But this thing turned around, squeezed up, and I did take a couple trades on it. My last trade on it, right here, 9,000 shares in at 16.17. I held all the way up to 39, which was high a day. No, actually, sorry, high a day was 49. I was like, you know what? Let's just give this a second. I'm just going to hold this for a second. Let's see if it is going to open up. And then the next candle, it came right back down, and I was like, nope, got to bail out. So I bailed out, and I guess I got a base hit on it. It could have been a little bit of a bigger winner had I sold, but it just flashed to 49 and then came right back down. So that was that one, and then PRPO. I made 300 on it on my first trade, and then on this 5-minute breakout, you can see this 5-minute pullback failed, and I gave it back. So kind of disappointing there not to see that really solid follow through, but that's okay. All's well that ends well. I'll finish the day up whatever, $700 green, and I will live to trade another day. So I'll be back at it first thing tomorrow morning, 9:15 local time for you guys, or market time, 3:15 local time for me. Hopefully we'll have some better stocks on the scanners and we'll start to see things open up a little bit. But I'm going to still stand behind the fact that we're not going to see real momentum come into the market until we see a stock squeeze up 200 to 400%. That's what we need to get traders off the sidelines. Given the fact that 4th of July is on Thursday and we have, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4th of July, not a lot of people are going to trade on Friday. So it's basically a 3-day week. Might not be till next week that momentum comes back in, but we'll see. At the end of the day, it's just a matter of having a stock that just has everything going for it and takes off. So when that happens, we will get a big move, and that'll be the time to put the pedal to the metal. So anyways, that's the game plan, and I'll see you guys all first thing tomorrow morning.
If you're still watching, you must have really enjoyed that video. So why not subscribe and get email alerts anytime I upload new content? Remember, when you subscribe, you become a member of the Warrior Trading family.